everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would discuss what's going on. I'm sorry I haven't caught up with you guys any sooner. I'm finding that trying to film in this house is extremely difficult. And it's nobody's fault. It's nobody's fault. It's just my in-laws are not used to someone filming a video, and they make a lot of noise, and most families do. I know those of you who have channels know what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, in this house, I have gone around and tried. The only decent lighting, halfway lighting, is right here at this kitchen bar, in this kitchen, because we have recessed lighting all up here. But the rest of the house, the lighting is so bad. It's so bad. My in-laws don't even have plants. There's not even a window you can put a plant in that would get decent light. It's rough. So I have a hard time trying to film, because if I am going to sit and film, you know, I'm right here in the kitchen. That's the heart of the home. And my mother-in-law is always in and out, in and out. My father-in-law, he's coming up and down the steps. Just like this house is a 2-story, but the main living is on the top story, and then you go down to the den in the garage there downstairs. So my father-in-law, that's his domain down there. You know, he's got the garage area, and then the den he pretty much lives in. And then everything else is up here. So it's hard to film. So I can only film when they are not here. And they are not here today. So that's how I can do this. So sorry guys, I would love to do more beauty videos. I can't do any beauty videos because the lighting is so bad right here that it just doesn't do any good. It doesn't do any good to try to film a beauty video. Beauty videos will have to wait until when I finally move. So let me get you caught up with where we're at. We were really on goal to get the house done by now, but my husband's job had other ideas, and so there for the last few weeks he was working 12, 14, and some days 16 hours a day. There was no going to work on the house, and I didn't want to ask him to go on the weekends because he was just exhausted from work. So we didn't even work on the house. We go and do a few little things, but not really work on it. So my husband's last day of work was on Tuesday of this week. So Wednesday we went and we knocked out a ton of painting. Tomorrow Nathan is off, so again we're all going to go over. I'm going to paint the kitchen, and now my husband has decided he wants to paint the studio. So we still have 2 rooms to paint. I'm hoping and praying that we get this house listed ASAP. I was hoping this weekend we would be done. We will not be done this weekend. Like I said, we have 2 rooms to paint, floors to finish. I don't know how much my husband's going to get done today. And we still have about 1 more load to go to somewhere. We have 3 storage facilities. We have rented 3, and they're full. They're full. And we got rid of stuff. Oh my word. I mean, oh my word. So, like I said, we have 1 more load. We might have to just bring it here. Here in the bedroom my husband and I are staying in, we've got it piled of boxes. We're living out of boxes and suitcases. And it's getting pretty old. You know what I mean? I'm getting tired of not having my things. And here it looks like we're going to be here now for the holidays. I was hoping to have at least bought a house by now, or hopefully in the process of buying a house by now. I don't foresee that until maybe the first of the year. So yeah, spend a lot of time here. So hopefully soon. Just keep me in your prayers that we get this over and done with soon, and we make some money and we can start looking for a house. There's a house I have my eye on. I don't know if it's the right house for us. I want to go look at it. So that might be coming up soon. So guys, I'm going to try to film what I can when I can. I did put in a Sephora order. It's just a couple of items, nothing major, but I'll show them to you when I get them. And I'm sure I'll be buying some other things here and there. I need to pick up some more clothes. I didn't pack accordingly. I did not pack winter wear. I have my coat, thank goodness, but I didn't pack like true winter clothing. So I'm gonna have to get some more clothes. So I'll show you guys that. And I'm not going to do a lucky bag this year because you buy it the day after Christmas, but it doesn't ship till way later. I'm thinking, is it later in January or February? I can't remember, but I don't know where I'll be, so I'm not going to fool with that. So there we go. So guys, I just wanted to give you a check-in, and I will give you another one as soon as I can. Maybe I'll do one from the car. That might be a good idea. Hey. So guys, you know, I'll check in when I can, and thank you all for sticking with me. It's killing me not to be able to film. I really am missing it so bad, and I'll get it figured out. So guys, again, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you next time.